Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi has accused the BJP of making attempts to topple Maharashtra government in these testing times when the state is battling the COVID-19 pandemic.
महाराष्ट्र की सरकार को देखिए, महामारी का एक बहुत भयंकर रूप है महाराष्ट्र में, उससे सरकार लड़ रही है और आप सहयोग देने के बजाय उस सरकार को गिराने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उसको अस्थिर साबित करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
Priyanka Gandhi slammed BJP for not only trying to topple the government in Maharashtra but also accused Uttar Pradesh CM of hollow politics. In her video address during Speak Up India, Priyanka Gandhi attacked Yogi Adityanath government in UP for refusing to use around 1,000 buses provided by the Congress party. The bus politics raged on for about 5 days in Uttar Pradesh. In the end, the buses arranged by Congress party were sent back by the UP government. In an unrelenting attack on the Bharatiya Janata Party, Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi told the Saffron Party leaders, it was a time to stand together and work for people and not topple the elected governments.
राजनीति बंद करिए, ये राजनीति का समय नहीं है, ये वो समय है जब पूरा देश इकट्ठा होना चाहिए, जब हर राजनीतिक पार्टी के नेता सबको इकट्ठा होकर अपनी अलग-अलग राजनीतिक परहेजों को दूर करके, अपनी विचारधारा के जो डिफरेंसेस हैं उनको दूर करके हम सबको इकट्ठा होकर लोगों की मदद करनी है।
The nature of crisis because of coronavirus pandemic is immense in the state of Maharashtra and the government is fighting to contain it. But instead of lending a helping hand to them, you are trying to destabilize and topple the government, Priyanka said in a video address as a part of Congress' online Speak Up India campaign. I want to tell you that it's the time to support each other and work for people because we have a responsibility towards them, the Congress General Secretary added. She also attacked the Uttar Pradesh government led by CM Yogi Adityanath for refusing the use of around 1,000 buses provided by the Congress party. When it came to using the buses, you refused our 1,000 buses despite us suggesting you to put your own banners and stickers on them. We didn't have any problem with that, the parties in charge for Uttar Pradesh said. The 12,000 state-run buses promised by Yogi Adityanath government could ply only on papers. They never hit roads, Priyanka said.
12,000 बसें जो यूपी रोडवेज की हैं, आपने ये ऐलान किया कि हम इनको चलाएंगे, लेकिन आज तक ये सिर्फ कागज पे चल रही हैं, सड़कों पर आपने उतारा नहीं है।
Earlier this week, there was a big showdown between the Uttar Pradesh government and the Congress party, with the former refusing to use the buses offered to them by Priyanka Gandhi. Does UP government want to abolish labourers' rights? Asked Priyanka. She also said that UP government is putting in jail those helping migrant labourers. The entire saga that started from an exchange of several letters ended with cross FIRs filed by the two in the states of Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. Priyanka Gandhi also questioned the government and said, Bharat Mata is in pain and the government is silent. Priyanka Gandhi has demanded the government to help the labourers with a direct transfer of Rs 7,500 for at least 6 months.